welcome back to my YouTube channel. There you go. Andito naman ang lola nyo. I'm here in my cute and very small kitchen. Alam nyo na, ang Hong Kong, maliliit lang ang kusina. Alam nyo na, hindi naman tayo mayaman. So, ito lang ang kitchen ko. Now, I'm going to show you what I'm gonna do today. Well, magka-crack tayo ng jet logs. Itong trabaho ng lola. This one for my son. And of course, for the family, we don't eat yellow eggs. But seldom, we cook yellow eggs for fried fries. Boiled egg, no yellow. So, samahan nyo ako to do my job for today. Wash na tong kamay ko. Malinis na. Talagang alam nyo na. So, I'm going to do my eggs white today. Ito ang paglagyan ko ng egg whites, guys. Ito na si Lola Maya. Popo Maya nyo ngayon. So, I cracked some of the eggs white already. So, ito ilalagay ko na, guys. There you go. Oops. There you go. Okay? Now, I'm going to do the second batch of the eggs. Ang problema nga lang dito, guys, is not that clean the eggs. Alam nyo na, pero hindi naman sa clean natin. Parang nag-moist lang kasi siya sa crumb fridge. So, nilagay ko lang ito ng ng ilang minuto. Naalala ko, I need to cut this one. Para naman makita nyo ang everyday na ginagawa ko, guys. I supposed to do it live this one, pero wala naman akong masabi. Yes, nag-vlog na lang ako kanina. So, I think I save this for the next time. So, ito na ngayon ang trabaho ni Lola Maya. Guys, we've got I don't know how many pieces are there. 3, 4, 5, 10, 15, 20. Oh, I've got 60 pieces of eggs already cracked. Some of it, 5. I already cracked 15 eggs white. This is 15 egg whites. So, you have to think that ang puti lang ang kailangan natin, guys. So, I need to watch for a while. Kasi nawakan ko yung fat niya. So, the best thing you do is, ang hirap parang maggawa ng egg white, crack na to. I-crack lang, ituk-tuk. Katol lang yan din. Yes. This is the way I do. Stay tuned lang. Hindi na yung mukha kong titignan nyo. Sawang-sawa na. Okay, this is the way I do the egg whites. There you go. Crack into 2. And then, like that. Get the yellow one. Make sure you don't break the yellow, right? And also, get the white and white. Para hindi masayang, right? Yeah. We don't use this one. We're gonna throw it. But these things, tatapon to, guys. I collected all these eggs para, I don't want, please guys, don't throw this in the sink. Here. Kasi itong itlog na to, mag-iiwan ng, I don't know how they call that one. Stick into the sink and probably you gonna have problem sa tubo ng mga sink nyo, guys. So, the best thing you do is to collect all the eggs, throw in the toilet. That's the best solution. Kasi I noticed that every time we crack egg, nagbabarado tong sink ko. There you go. So, no waste of white eggs. I-keep ko na nga lang to. Yes, I have to throw that. So, there's another one. Ito ang trabaho ni Lola Maya. Make sure you break the half first. And the yellow one, put into the other side. Oh, talagang na. It's not that strong, the egg yolk. Parang tao pag nabuntis. Diba? Kahit nabuntis na ilang buwan, matatanggal pa rin kasi it's not strong the eggs. Para din tao ito. Diba? Kaya ito, I have to crack this one. The way I crack like this. I make it closer to you. There you go. I think it's a bit closer now. There you go. I have to break that side. Wala akong cameraman, guys. So, you guys, crack into 2. Natakot tuloy ako para akong natakot tuloy. Yes, crack into 2 halfway. like that. And this one is not that clean, so better get this one. Get the egg yolks on the other side. Make sure you don't break it. Look at that. The egg yolk is really not that good. That's why we put in the fridge. First, para lang mabuo yung yolks niya. No? Buong buo. And throw it into the other glass. There you go. This one can be later. Somewhere to go. Malinis na tong itlog. Yes, ipak-pak lang. Tuk-tuk pala. How do you call that? Whatever it is. You just break in the middle. Ganyan lang, guys. Diba? This is the way to break the... Oh, ang hirap din palang gagawa nito. Kasi, if you don't do it properly, nasasayang din yung egg whites niya, guys. Kasi, you look at this. I don't know how many eggs. It's full of... That's the thing. See, ito lang ang... These are the yellow one. Look at that. It's pure, guys. So, we need to break another one again. There you go. Turn it like that. Put the yellow one, the white eggs there. Get the yellow one. Throw it that side. That's it. Diba? Parang ang galing pero nakaka-boring din pag ito ang trabaho. But ito si lola nyo, that's my job. So, that's all I can say. Oh my God, so many whites. Sayang if we break the yellow. Oh, I nearly dropped it. Oh, may yellow na doon. So I have to take out that yellow one there, guys. Kasi we don't need yellow one. Tanggalin ko yung yellow. May konting yellow dito na hulog. There's about the yellow stuff there. There, oh. May yellow nahulog, guys. Somewhere was the camera. There, oh, I have to remove that. Take that out and throw there. We don't need that yellow one. Hirap din talang tanggalin. Tissue ko na nga. Yes, it's hard to remove that. There you go. That's why may standby akong tissue dito, guys. Tanggalin ko na nga baka may eggs pa. Ouch! Bakit ko tinapon doon? Wrong info. Oh my God! Sorry. Tinapon ko naman na diya. Tingnan nyo nga lang naman ang matanda. Nakalimutan na even mix up in here. But never I'm gonna throw that anyway. This one, another one. Sayang yung egg whites. Konti lang din naman. So I have to break that again. There you go. Hinihintay natin oh yes, I think this is the best position for that. And then remove this one, transfer the yellow one to the other shell. There you go. Look at that. Perfect. Really perfect. It's only the yellow one up there. Look at that. Somewhere to go. Diba? Ang hirap din mag-crack, guys. Oop. There you go. Oop. Churi boop. Churi boop. And then there's another yellow one out there. Okay, move. Move the yellow one to the other side. There you go. Talagang hindi healthy itong yellow nito. Okay, look at that. Hindi siya healthy talaga. Look. Yeah, buo nga yan. That's buo, while the other is not that buo. And here's the other one, last one, but not the less. You better do it nicely or else masasayang ang white eggs. There you go. Keep going, white. Keep going. Oop, this is the yellow one. Woo! There you go. Nakuha ko na yung yellow. There you go. There's another white one is there. See, ito na si baby yellow. Sorry ka na lang, guys. Ito, itatapon ka na. So, we don't need to eat yellow kasi ito is nakakataba, nakaka-high blood. So, destroy it there. Yes! Tapos na itong trabaho ni Lola. So, this one is for the next batch. Kasi puno na itong paglagyan to, guys. Look at this. Punong-puno na. But I wasted some, in fairness, kasi natapon ko yung may yellow kanina sa loob ng ito. So, this to be thrown in the laptop. Ito, keep na in the fridge. But this one for the next batch, guys, kasi punong-puno na as in itong paglagyan, puno na. Punong-puno na. So, this one is for the next one. This one is to throw. But we have to recycle also this one. More recycle. And this one is for the next cooking thingy. Ito, ginagawa ko lang ito, guys, na ano nun, na for massage for the face. But eventually, ito na ang diet ng everybody. Yes, there you go. This is the yellow eggs white. Just stick all in the fridge. You can fry whatever you want. Kasi this is a healthy one, guys. Okay, that's all for today. Hope you enjoy watching how to separate the yellow one and the white eggs at the same time. Okay, that's all for today. See you around. Please don't forget to pray out there. Love your family and your husband and your neighbors, of course. And I just say, mahalin mo ang asawa mo at eventually you and the husband and your wife together at the end. Huwag mong asahan mga anak mo kasi mag-aasawa din sila. Makapagmanugang ka pa ng bruhang kagaya. Alright, peace be with you, guys. Makasabi lang ng katotohanan kasi tayong mga nanay, don't wanna specific na sabihin ko yun kasi ang hirap talaga ang maging nanay. So, kung alam ko lang, kaya guys, so kayong mga girls and boys, kung mag-anak kayo isa lang, huwag mong asahan na sila ang mag-aalaga sa'yo. No way. Just save your money, just save everything, just send them to school. That's your responsibility. Kasi iba na ang mga tao ngayon. Ang gusto nila, they wanna be live alone. Fine. Make sure you can stand by your own feet, guys. Diba? Just like me. We try to stand by our own feet. Kaya, try lang, guys. Laban lang. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And please comment below, guys, para naman malaman ko kung sino ang kampi ko dito. And of course, my bashers also. I love you all. See you next vlog. See you around. These are my white eggs. See you.